Hello, this is Ben with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the logo on a SoundSport wireless. As you can see, this logo is a little hazy and has some scratches. And it's very easy to replace the logos. All you need is a 1.0 flathead. And then you also need some clear glue. As you can see, this you can find on our website. All of this will be linked down in the description down below. And the exact name of this glue is cold press. So if that makes it easier to find. But everything will be linked down in the description down below. So all the tools and all the parts that you see in this video will be linked down below. So let's get started with this repair. So first, I'd grab the flathead. I usually start on this side. It doesn't really matter which side you start on, but I just start on this side. You kind of just go down into there, just like that. It should pop off just like that. Just take that tape off. Just set this bad logo aside. Next, we're gonna grab some of this cold press glue, and I usually put a little blob right in the center of this triangle, just like that. And the rest I just kind of put really close to the triangle. Don't put it on the edges because you don't want the glue to seep through and then get all over the rest of the unit. Just makes it a little easier so you don't have to clean and whatnot. And you don't really need too much, so just that should be plenty right there. Put the glue aside. And next we're gonna grab the good logo. You can see the triangle where it's supposed to be. I don't know if you guys can't really see on the camera, but I can see it in person. So you just kind of align it to where you want it to go. Alright, so once you have the glue on there, next thing you want to do is kind of align it with the triangle on there into the triangle on here and just set it down. Just like that. And then you don't really need to put anything on there, just let it sit there for like about 10 minutes. Just so it kind of grips on this right side. We're gonna pretty much do the same thing. Grab the flathead, start from this side, get down in there, and just press it up, just like that. Should come off very, very easy. Grab the cold press glue, put some on the center, not too much, and then just right around the center, just like that. That should be plenty. Grab the triangle, align it where you want it to go. So this triangle is gonna go. Okay, so once you have some glue on there, it should look like that kind of, and then just align where you want the triangle to go. Put it down just like that, and there we go. Looks to be good. Kind of press it down for like 10 seconds. You could do it on both. And it is flush with the rest of this housing. You should not see it overlapping the housing. It should be flush, sitting down flush with the rest of this housing right here. And that is it, guys. That is how you place the logo on a Bose SoundSport wireless. And all the parts that you see in this video that were used, which are the logos, the cold press glue, these are the tools, cold press glue, and the flathead with the 1.0 screwdriver, it will be all linked down below in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.